Hello everyone. My name is Chandan Singh, and today we are going to have a detailed conversation. We have two people. Ankit, hi Ankit, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
yeah. And we have Devendra. Devendra, how are you doing?
I'm great, sir.
That's
What about
lovely.
you?
Yeah, yeah, fine, fine. So both of you have to have a conversation. I'm going to show you the topic here, and the topic is: Are you able to see me? Am I
Yes,
visible?
sir. You are visible very clear.
Okay. So let me share the topic. Let me zoom in. So guys, conversation. So there are some questions written, like as you can see, the first question is, what is the most amazing thing about the brain? You know. So I mean, this is a kind. These are such a questions on which you can have an argument. You can have a great conversation. It is about thought, perception, your feeling. You know. So this is not like where did you go yesterday, what did you do? This is
Hmm.
about a particular thing, like about brain. So you can have a conversation. So anybody can start it, then other people can answer what they feel, then other questions can be asked as per the
Sir,
answer.
what about the topic? What are some of the advantages and disadvantages of driving versus public transportation?
Yeah, suppose you are driving your own car or you are going by
Yeah,
any bus or these things, no?
yeah,
So you are going to ask questions?
yeah. I will ask questions. No
Okay.
issues.
So choose any one question. After that,
Yeah.
you can have a conversation on the same topic for at
Yes,
least
sir.
couple of minutes or maybe five
Yes, yes.
minutes.
Obviously, sir. I think it will.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will do that.
So you ask
Okay.
one.
So, Mr. Mann, good evening. I hope you are doing well.
Very good evening, sir. I'm great. What about
So,
you?
what do you think? What are the advantages of driving versus public transportation, and what do you prefer and why?
Okay.
Well, nowadays we are seeing the price of petrol and diesels are hiking day by day, and seeing all these things, we should prefer public transport as well as rather than using a personal vehicle.
But, sir, in our country, public transportation system is not very healthy, as you already know. In our country, buses don't run on time, trains don't run on time. So, in that case, sometimes it becomes imperative for us to use our private vehicles. So, what would you like to say on that, sir?
Having a personal vehicle is very costly nowadays. First of all, I want to say the taxes on private vehicle. When we go to our DTO office, we all see that we have to pay a big amount of money when we are registering a vehicle in DTO office. And sir, it's not affordable to everyone. Everyone don't uh, able to afford this big amount, you can say. And so I would prefer public transportation because there are many government transportation is available here. I mean, we can say railways and public buses like roadways. State transportation is available everywhere. If you prefer them, if you government take initiative about it to facilitate it, then all the things would be better. We can say we would say that.
Yeah, but we see in case of women, there are a lot of women who prefer to go by their own private vehicles because again they have apprehensions that suppose they go on a crowded public transportation system, they don't feel comfortable, and there's every chance that someone might misbehave with them.
And mostly it has been seen that if a lady is traveling by bus, so in the bus you might have seen, the amount of crowd,
Yeah,
so
it's
if
very
that
become
crowd,
very difficult, not even for women, sometimes for men like me also. It
and
becomes so scary.
and
Sir,
and
if
and
you
some and
go,
some Ankit, some ruffians, those stupid boys, they deliberately go and stand near the girl. Deliberately
yes,
they
sir.
stand.
If sir, earlier I used to, travel by metro in Delhi,
Hmm.
and between 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. There is so much rush in metro that you cannot even stand properly.
Yes, yes.
So in this situation, it becomes very difficult for anybody, to travel.
Hmm.
It might be
Actually,
cheaper.
sir,
I agree with that, but at the same time, there must be minimum, comfortable minimum, facilities also.
Hmm.
one side we are praising that in Delhi, I would like to say in Delhi, we say that metro is doing well. Metro is a good transportation for Delhi. And in metro, every person, girls, women, and everybody travel by metro. But how we can say that in especially in buses, women are not safe in buses. Women are not safe. It's not justifying the uh, thing, I think.
And not only that, sir, what happens in,
Hmm.
in these public transportations, bus stand or metro stations, there is every chance that, some kind of theft might take place.
Hmm. Hmm.
We have seen, every day I come across 10 to 50 cases in Delhi metro only where there are CCTV footage everywhere. But at least 10 to 5 people gang up in a crowd and they will surround a person and they will take benefit of the crowd,
Hmm. Hmm.
and taking benefit of the crowd they would snatch mobile phone or something, and they are in a group of 5-10 people, so they won't allow even the victim to move. So it
Okay.
becomes another problem for many people. It
It.
happened with me also. Once upon a time my mobile phone was snatched
Okay.
in full crowded metro.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
So there are police also available
Arey,
there.
sir, you know about the police officials, how they perform. It's very difficult to even launch an FIR in India. I
Yeah.
think you already know.
So
So
we should be more
because in
positive
our
about.
country, law
Yeah,
books say something different, and the practical legal aspects are completely different.
So, so,
when
so,
we say
so the
investment,
Devendra. So the conclusion is this: that if you have a lot of money, you can go and buy your own vehicle. This is the conclusion. Or if you don't have money, then definitely you have to go through that transportation and all, irrespective of being molested, irrespective of your mobile phones are going to be snatched. You have to face those
Yeah,
things.
sometimes, sir, there is so much crowd that you will be thrown on a metro station,
Hmm.
despite the fact that you don't want to, get off at that station. But if you are on the corner, you will be thrown away. Anybody
Definitely.
who has traveled in Delhi metro or Mumbai local train must
Hmm.
have experienced it.
Yeah.
It's
I
my
mean,
first-hand experience.
suppose you're entering the coach of the metro and your file is there with you. Suddenly, the crowd will push you in. Your file will remain outside. It is
Yeah, it
also going to
happens. It
happen.
happens. It happens a lot. Your bag, sometimes goes somewhere else, and you are somewhere else. If you are
Yeah.
with somebody, then it becomes a really, haphazard situation.
Yeah.
in Western country, we say the mostly many prime minister also use bicycle to
Sir,
go
in
their
Western
office.
countries, there is not as much crowd.
Yeah.
And
We prefer.
secondly, their people
I
are much
want to
more
say
educated.
I want to say one thing. We use public transport only for show off. We have luxury car. That's why we travel by that car. So it's only a show off. In the other side, when we say every when you ask to any car owner, he always say that the other will say that it's not worthwhile, worth for money,
Hmm.
worth of money because the price of petrol and the safety features
Sir,
and we have to
I
load
think
of
Hmm.
I think
we have
if
to spend a lot of money on
public
insurance.
transportation system is made better by government,
Hmm.
then obviously people can be encouraged to, use them. But right now, public transportation system is not very healthy in our country,
Hmm.
unfortunately, because the crowd is so much and public transportation system miserably fails.
So do you
Now you
think
can
do you
see
think
the
yeah, do you think, Ankit, that there should be a rule that only as per the seats you have to take the passengers, not more
Yeah, but
than
it is
that?
not possible, sir. It is practically not possible because of the population. People
Yeah.
will, stay back at the station only. Everybody is in hurry, early morning. Everybody wants to go to their office.
Hmm.
Yeah, if I want to go to Rajasthan from Delhi, if
Hmm.
I take a roadway bus, it is such a khatara type kind of bus. It will
Definitely.
take a lot of time. On the other hand, if I have my own car, be it a small CNG car,
Hmm.
I can take my family in it quite comfortably.
Hmm.
and I will reach, in half time.
Mm-hmm.
So why I shouldn't? I will definitely use my private vehicle,
Okay.
because
Fair.
not only because condition of the public transportation system is also not good.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. Now the next question, okay? Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Do
Yes,
you,
sir. Do you think male and female brains are better at different tasks? Why or why not?
so what do you think, Devendra?
Actually, sir, I want to say that the women are more efficient in tackling any situation, sir. There are many examples like Chanda Kochar and
Mm-hmm.
Kalpana Chawla, many more examples, sir.
Mm-hmm.
They are more concentrate on work rather than a man. I
Okay.
would say so.
So
Because
they
uh,
can.
uh,
Mm-hmm.
they do lots of work at home. They have lots of patience in
And
them.
they are very much
That,
focused, you can say,
yes, sir. That's why they are more capable of doing any work.
and more productive.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Ankit, do you think
Sir,
so?
no, I don't think so. I think, sir, men and women are equal on that footing. We cannot say, and there is no scientific evidence why which we can say that women has more patience.
Mm-hmm.
I think men have more patience. They don't show off.
Mm-hmm.
Men remain mum and silent. They suffer silently. Their
Mm-hmm.
heart might be in pain. They won't cry. Their eyes won't be dry.
Mm-hmm.
But they will keep on working for their families. Every man is doing. And
Mm-hmm.
what not they do? They do everything for their family. But we never understand the pain of a father. We only understand pain of girls or ladies or
Mm-hmm.
mothers.
Mm-hmm.
Because fathers don't complain. To whom can they complain?
Mm-hmm.
Because ultimately it's everything up to them. They are supposed to bring every little happiness to the family.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes there might be a situation in Diwali or Holi, then when they can purchase clothes for themselves, but they make sure that their wife and their children get properly dressed.
Wow. Superb, superb. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, Devendra, you have to say something. Yeah. Yeah.
Actually, sir, when a woman in our office, the
Hmm.
most of the men, they are supposed to very disciplined in any manner.
So,
If they are all men in any office, they are a bit kind of mischief sometimes. They are
mm-hmm.
not disciplined every time.
Okay. And as far as the students are concerned, if you talk about the students of class 10th or 12th, you might see that female always give the good result, you know? If you see the number of
Yes, sir.
girls, they give the good result compared to
Yes, sir.
boys.
Most of the girls are toppers
Hmm. So
when we
Ankit,
see the
why
good
why why
result.
does it happen so? Do you think there is any scientific cause
No,
behind
sir,
it?
I don't think again that there is any scientific call. Maybe what happens actually the atmosphere in which girls are brought.
Mm-hmm.
They are mainly asked to study and be at home. On the other hand, boys are supposed to go out also.
Mm-hmm.
So there is every likelihood that suppose there is a boy after school, he can roam around, with his friends, and nobody is going to ask any question to him.
Mm-hmm.
On the other hand, a girl is supposed to come back home as soon as the school is finished.
Mm-hmm.
These are quite practical things.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah, we talk about the quality of boy and girls, but this is not the case.
Mm-hmm.
In the evening, a boy can go out with his friends, he can play cricket.
Mm-hmm.
Even in late evening, he can walk with his friends outside his house. But the same is not case with girls. So
Okay.
I think that might be a reason that they, indirectly they get focused towards their studies, and
Mm-hmm.
hence they get more results. On the
Okay.
other hand, if there is any boy who is very focused, obviously he also talks.
Okay. Fine, fine, fine. Okay, now next question. This one. Do you think people rely too much on computers? Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So talk about this.
Yes, sir. We can say that definitely, sir. Nowadays, we are totally depend on internet and mobile phone and computers, sir.
Hmm.
We can't live without these type of things.
Mm-hmm.
Nowadays we are accustomed to these kind of things, sir. We can't
Accustomed.
live. We can't think of. We never thought that a single day without net.
But don't you think that there may be so many people who have not access to smartphones yet? Don't you think so? We can see only people around us. We think that, oh, if I have a smartphone, everybody may have a smartphone. What about if you go to villages? You can see so many people with their, keypad mobiles. They don't have the smartphone. Still, they have the same phone. They have no idea about smartness and all. So, what do
Yes,
you have to say about it?
I would say one thing, sir, they are more happy than us
Yeah.
who are using mobile phone, computers, and other things. Actually, sir,
Hmm.
main thing is that there are lots of information in these platforms,
So
and we
actually,
are
there are
more
many industries which are totally dependent upon internet usage on
Hmm.
computers. Suppose there is no internet connection, the whole railway reservation system will collapse.
Okay. Hmm.
In the same way, various multinational companies will stop functioning if internet stops working, like IBM, Infosys.
Hmm.
Their whole system is, computer oriented. Everything is in computer. Their attendance and everything is on computers.
and sir,
Okay.
it has
Now even
become
even we are
part
talking
of
about
our life.
e-courts. Even a lot of work in courts go online nowadays. Every judgment I can easily find on Google,
Yeah.
and every judgment is uploaded.
Hmm.
And right now, even courts and schools are working online during this pandemic time.
Hmm.
And I think we
Sir,
are
there
getting
are,
more and more dependent on computers with the each passing day.
Okay.
sir, it has pros and cons also.
Hmm. So, what about the drawbacks? If you talk about the drawbacks of it, what could be the drawbacks?
So there are various drawbacks
Hmm.
because computers, are just machines,
Hmm.
or internet is just a kind of, artificial intelligence,
Hmm.
which can stop working sometimes. So if we rely too much on them, there is every possibility that if they fail, what would we do? There
Hmm.
should be some alternative thing with us, some alternative arrangement.
So, don't you think that if somebody gives you a task to add or subtract or multiply, instead of using your own brain, you just take out your mobile phone and
Yes,
start
sir.
using the calculator?
Yes, we do
So,
that.
you think you are going to save your time, but don't you think that you are not going to use your brain? And if you don't use your brain, one day or other, you will be totally dependent on the machine.
Yes, sir, and it is happening.
Yeah.
Same thing goes with the mobile numbers. Earlier, I remember that I myself used to remember many phone numbers, but now we don't even tell the phone number of our parents
Mm-hmm.
because we don't know it. It is simply saved in mobile phone. And look at and you can imagine the situation of a person whose mobile phone is stolen. He feels kind of lost.
Absolutely.
Yeah, he is such a problem.
So, what do you think? What could be the solution? Should be totally dependent on computers, or should we use the computers as per the requirement?
So obviously we should use the computers as per the requirement, but saying something is a different issue and
Hmm.
actually doing it is a different thing.
Hmm.
Easier said than done.
Hmm.
So this is easier said than done because if I have a gadget in front of me, obviously I will be tempted to use it. Why
Hmm.
I would use my mind? My mind will say, okay, use that. Well, are you mad? So, even people surrounding me, they will say, okay, sir, let me open the laptop and let me count it out. Let me give you, I will count it.
Great, great, great.
So
But
there are
still,
many things, sir, that we know that what should be done, but actually we do not do.
but I have seen like if you go to buy some vegetables, so the green grocers are very good at mathematics. They are not going to use any calculator or computer or any the smartphone. You can purchase 1 kg potato, tomatoes, whatever.
Yes,
You
sir.
you have just piled it up, and after that they start looking at the vegetable and start calculating. This is okay. 300 rupees, 200 rupees. They say like this. So they are good. And being a customer, you just whipped
Yes,
out your
sir.
mobile phone and start
Yes, sir.
adding that.
Yes, sir.
So I think the villagers, or they are not in cities, or they are not very much connected to this
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
virtual world. They are still good at mathematics or other things. They
Yes,
are not
sir.
totally dependent on
Yes,
machines.
sir. But now even their children have started using gadgets. They are
Hmm.
aspiring to get mobile phones after seeing in movies and big
Yeah.
cities. When they go, they also want a mobile phone. So even we can say that rapidly culture is changing.
Hmm. Okay. So it means if for one day you come to know that none of your machines are going to work, neither computer nor mobile phone, anything else. So do you think that life becomes bereft of happiness, the monotonous life you come to get? Do you think that every happiness dies if for one day or other day or for 2 days you don't get access to internet? So what do you feel that time?
Yes, sir. I think for 1 or 2 days, if that happens, many people will go bad.
Hmm.
Even now, if there is no internet access, people just get, so much, I can say, frustrated.
Frustrated, gloomy.
Yeah.
They think what to
Yeah.
do, and
Yeah. What to do? They have nothing to do.
and even though you have a laptop or desktop, but if there is no
Yeah.
internet, you are not going to
Yeah.
use it.
Yeah. Yeah. So people have such, they have generated a habit
Hmm.
that as soon as they get up in the morning, they start watching their emails, WhatsApp messages, and then they feel connected.
Hmm.
Yeah, and if there is no WhatsApp, no Facebook, no internet connection, they feel that they are lost.
My God, really amazing. Okay, next question.
How do you think Western families and Eastern families differ?
Yeah, if we talk about our Indian family, suppose, and
Yeah.
Western family, so do you think any difference and which is good? So you want to be westernized or you are okay with what you have right now? So this we have to talk about. Or you somewhere you feel that no, yeah, Western people are good. Their culture is good. Their dressing sense is good. What do you think? Devendra, you can begin it.
So in terms of dress sense,
Hmm.
we are better than Western culture
Hmm.
because we have very decent dress sense, and
Okay.
we have the good rituals in our family. We
Hmm.
have they are giving us good sacrament
Hmm.
in when we was kid, and that's why sir it helps us to get good knowledge when we grown up. I think so.
Okay.
And
But
some
sir, I think we are also changing.
Hmm.
I think very rapidly we are, changing from Eastern family to Western families,
Hmm.
especially in modern cities.
Yeah.
Because in our tradition, there used to be joint family system,
Hmm.
where 30, 40, even 50 people live together.
Hmm.
Brothers, their families live together.
Hmm.
But now if we go to, especially to cities, we don't see that.
Okay.
Now there is also concept of nuclear family.
Hmm.
So I think we are becoming westernized in terms of family, if I talk about.
Hmm.
Even in dressing sense, I think we are changing. And people nowadays like wearing western dresses, be it ladies or be it gents, doesn't matter.
So Devendra, do you think that it is good if Eastern families are going to wear Western dresses, no matter Dadima is wearing jeans, okay, or the ladies? What do you think?
it depends on ourselves. We
Hmm.
can't say whatever whatever we want. We wear. We can't complain that it's
Yeah,
not
sir,
a
I
good.
also think that we should not copy everything that is western.
Hmm.
We have our own values, we have our own dressing sense.
Hmm.
But the fact is, I think somewhere down the line, we think that Westerners are better than us.
Hmm.
So obviously, that might be the reason that we follow them. Otherwise, I think our own, as Mr. Mang has said, that our own dressing style,
Hmm.
is very, very beautiful,
But
very luxurious.
I have seen that some Western people are also using, they're trying to adopt our dressing sense, they
Yes,
are
sir.
Yes,
the females are wearing saris,
Yes, sir.
gents are wearing pajama kurta,
Yes,
and
sir.
so many Western people you can see in India, they are doing Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, they are wearing
Right,
dhoti
sir.
and kurta.
Right, sir.
So I think our culture is also kind of fascinating, which can
Yes,
attract
sir.
other
Obviously,
people.
our festivals are very colorful, our rituals are very rich,
Hmm.
and even Westerns recognize it. But we ourselves don't recognize it, and
Hmm.
that's quite unfortunate.
That's fine. That's fine. So, guys, I came up with this conversation to tell you that conversation is not only that, like you are asking, कल कहाँ गए थे, क्या किया था. Conversation means you are talking about something. Your
Right.
point of views are important. So, sometimes or other, I will come up with this kind of conversation so you the guys can have a great fun and great fluency. So, I think this much is okay because the video is going
Yeah.
to be quite big. So,
Okay.
so thank you very much, everybody, for
Okay.
joining me.
Thank you very much, Mr. Man. Nice to meet you. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
yes.
Okay,
Okay.
guys.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Take
Bye.
care. Bye.